This is for Year 12 Methods. It's the exam prep masterclass question number 4, which is short answer question 6, 3 marks. I've got to find coordinates, the stationary points, and their nature. Therefore, I need to do a sign diagram. I'll be wanting to see a sign diagram. Okay, so to find the stationary points, I want to take the derivative and set it equal to 0. So that will be 3x squared plus 8x minus 3, 3x and x, 3 and 1, 9x, so with the negative up there, so 3x minus 1, x plus 3, therefore x equals 1/3 or negative 3. And my sign diagram, that's negative 3, that's 1/3. I'll put my derivative underneath here, g of x. Do the factorized form. So at 0, I know that's 0 and I know that's 0. 0 will give me a negative, and a 0 there times a positive, so that's negative. At negative 4, negative, that's going to be negative times that's negative, so that's positive. And at 1, 3, that's positive and that's positive, so that's positive as well. So it's looking like, so that's going to be at negative 3, it's a local max, and at 1/3 it's a local min. And I need now to find g of negative 3, and that will be negative 3 cubed plus 4 times negative 3 squared minus 3 times negative 3 minus 2, which is negative 27, 9 plus 36 plus 9 minus 3 minus 2. So that's minus 29 plus 45 equals 16. So I've got minus 3 and 16 is our local max, and then g of 1/3 will equal 1/3 cubed plus 4 times 1/3 squared minus 3 times 1/3 minus 2, which is 1 on 27 plus 4 on 9 minus 1 minus 2, 1 plus 12 on 27 minus 3, golly, 13 minus 81 on 27, which is 60 minus 68 on 27, and 1/3, and that's a local minimum.